Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the EKBtv network. This is Vintage Cigar, I Want the Smoke. There will be plenty of iterations for this show. What this is all about is finding cigars that I wanted to put into my humidor, find flavor profiles that I hadn't had before, so I can experience those cigars with you. I started out in the culinary industry, and building flavor profiles was a big deal to me, so this has become my addiction more than the nicotine that everybody's so concerned about. Just the same way that people love finding their liquor, their ports, their wine, building a dish correctly. I'm trying to curate my cigars and build my humidor the same way. So I've searched many websites. I've tried to curate them. I'm living here in Japan, so it's been kind of difficult. So hopefully you guys will come along this trip with me. You want to find the same thing. If you're just getting into cigars, if you've been into cigars for a long time and you feel that your palate is changing, this is the place to be. That's right. This is the hangout spot. I want you guys to come, chill with me, talk cigars, talk flavor profiles, talk aesthetics, and let's sit back and relax together and enjoy the smoke. Peace.